Be sure to give him a kiss on the forehead.
Right now! Get the out! Get the here. You are then becoming the
Hey, my peace is being disturbed, officer. I'd like to file a report. Oh my god, damn it. You have the right to be stupid all you want.
Man, well, that lady's definitely crazy. He should not be just like instigating her and just like poking the bear, you know? It's just making, the cops are trying to diffuse the situation. Really, like, just let them. They've already been called, they're already there. Let them just like get this over with so that everyone can move on their way. I get it's like fun for him, but it's not helping anybody. You've had your fun. She's clearly mad. You don't need to continue making her angry.
Are we throwing fists? We might be throwing fists, yo. I'm ready, buddy. Whoa! Yeah, I don't know what that was. It looks like it might be Australia or it might be London. England is my city. It might be one of those places, judging by the license plates. And the cop doesn't have a blam blam, so I'm gonna say that maybe that's London or something like that, isn't it? Sometimes we break down in society, though. Sometimes she's having a mental health moment. Oh, we're doing this. We're doing this. She's shaking. She's doing the Donkey Kong thing from Smash Brothers. She's doing the, you know, she's getting ready to, she's doing the charge up. You know what I mean? Donkey Kong, Smash Brothers. One of my favorite games when he does the charge punch and he gets it ready, and then he, whoa, just gives you one of those, buddy. Just gives you one of those. Sometimes we go a little nuts, but there's no reason we gotta start throwing Donkey Kong punches. I think that's a rule. You can put that up there, like my rules. Don't sniff your own farts, and then don't act like Donkey Kong. That's a good one. That's a really good one. Unless you're actually playing Smash Bros. That's a great one. Someone should fight me in a Smash tournament. I love that game. Let's have some fun.
We are here because we want to file charges against Officer Mendoza because there was an unlawful imprisonment yesterday.
Nice.
602 is the penal code which describes trespass.
His face.
There's absolutely nothing in there that would allow the officer to arrest my friend. There was actually 2 friends that were harassed yesterday.
In a public federal building.
Yeah, a federal building. And then there's also Title 18, 242.
Yeah.
Okay, and Title 18, 241 doesn't really apply, but you guys can be fined, you can be imprisoned, and then there's even more serious.
Okay.
I love this. It's just, listen, everyone's remaining calm in this situation, which I respect, okay? Like, she is, you know, clearly very upset about whatever happened yesterday, but she is presenting her case, whether or not it makes any sense or whether or not the legalities are there is questionable for sure, but I'm not well versed enough to really comment on that. So, you know, she's presenting her case and he's just really politely and calmly listening. So as bizarre as this situation is, I'm just glad it just stayed calm.
Open the door. Ma'am, I'm not gonna ask you again.
No, what do you want?
Okay, well, I'm a police officer.
Okay, you don't have
You went the wrong way down a one-way street. You don't have a seatbelt on.
If there's like a legitimate fear of like the fact that somebody's like impersonating a police officer and stuff, totally understand that, really valid. I mean, people do it and people do really messed up things, okay? So I'm not denying that, but I don't know if this is one of those cases.
I'm allowed under federal case law to remove you from the vehicle and have you have your seat in my car.
I just got off work.
Ma'am,
I 4 streets
ma'am,
down the road.
ma'am, I'm gonna ask you very nicely to step out of the vehicle, please. Okay.
Not quite convinced on this one. Also, just because you live 4 streets down doesn't mean that you can, you know, go the wrong way down a one-way and drive without a seatbelt. Like, they gotta check out what's going on there. That's a lot of issues, and realistically, like, at that point, the most important thing is making sure you're like okay to drive, because if you're driving the wrong way down streets and stuff, something might be going on. There might be an issue.
Day? What, I can't have a bad day?
I may be a paranoid person. What? What's your name? you did? I thought someone was coming to get me. I'm here.
No, let me talk to you for a second. I don't.
Clark, are you gonna leave me?
No, I'm right with you.
Swear to God, he's not gonna leave.
Park in a parking lot.
All right.
Okay. Just park in a stall.
You're not gonna leave me?
No.
Okay, there's 2 cops. We're good. In the video.
I understand.
I'm good.
Can you come out, step out the door for me for
No,
a
I
second?
swear to God, I'm fine.
I understand that. I just need you to step out the door for me, please.
Whoa, guys.
Oh, yeah, well, why don't you step out? Step out.
Oh, dang. That's so, like, why? Why is she so loudly listening to Hit Me With Your Best Shot, first of all? Just, like, turn the music off. Turn the music. It's too confusing. And then also, like, just listen. Just listen to the very simple instructions. I almost said instructions. Listen to the instructions. Listen to the very simple instructions, which is just to stop, pull over, and stop the car. You're in the parking lot. Pull into the parking stall.
Open the door.
I don't
Ma'am,
know.
I'm not going to ask you again.
No, what do you want?
Okay, well, I'm a police officer.
Okay, you don't have
You went the wrong way down a one-way street. You don't have a seatbelt on. I'm allowed under federal case law to remove you from the vehicle and have you have a seat in my car.
What are you talking? I just got off work. I
Ma'am,
live 4 streets
ma'am,
down the road.
ma'am, I'm going to ask you very nicely to step out of the vehicle, please. Okay, I'm going to break your window and drag you out of the car. I'm legally allowed to do that, ma'am.
He's gonna do it. He's just gonna.
Can you open it? Can
That's
you?
it.
I need your driver's license, proof of insurance, ma'am.
5 streets from the
I need your driver's license, proof of insurance, ma'am. Open the door, ma'am. You are under arrest for obstruction of justice. Open the door.
No one can save you now.
What can you say? Man, well, I miss Cops. I miss watching Cops, man. I used to love that show. We used to watch it as a family. Isn't that weird? That's a weird thing to do, isn't it? We also sit down on the couch and watch someone get out of the car, and it's always like, you got something in your car? Nah, man, I got nothing in my car, bro. There's nothing in my car. And then there's something in the car. Well, it made the TV show, so there's probably something in the car. I used to love that show, man. But here, it's just clear, it's concise, it's... If she got out of the car, again, assuming she's not under the influence of any stuff that she wouldn't be allowed to be, she probably might have not gotten away with it, but she might have gotten off with a warning, or maybe a ticket at the most, you know what I mean? If she just got out and said, hey, I made a mistake, it was a stressful day at work, one-way street, oops-a-daisies, and it looks like no one got hurt, the car's not damaged, so again, it could be just an honest mistake, but now you've taken a little itty-bitty thing and you've made it a big thing, so your window's broken, and you're going to jail.
Did you not? To protect me.
I'm not gonna say this. I don't know what world you live in.
I live in America.
But I'm done
Not in
listening to it
China.
right now. Do not talk to me like that.
Don't talk to
Do
me.
not talk to me like that.
Then don't talk to me like that.
I've been very nice.
So have I.
Do not
And you
talk to
took
me
an
like
oath, officer.
Don't talk to me
You
like
took
that.
an oath.
I'm telling you right now, do not talk to me like that.
Don't touch me either.
I will arrest you.
For what?
Now you're trespassing.
I am not. No, but I'll file charges
Okay,
against
go
you.
ahead. Go ahead.
I will.
You're out. Go.
Oh my gosh. Okay, so clearly she's like getting kicked out of this place or something. I don't know. I do think that like as a police officer, you can't like let annoying Karens get to you, because like unfortunately you're gonna have to deal with like 100 a day at least. You're only a human. Sometimes they're gonna get to you. I don't think she should have been arrested, but I think she should have shut up. Like, I just don't get it. I just don't get why people think that just like talking back is gonna get them anywhere. Ma'am, you still have to leave and you're just gonna get yourself in more trouble. I don't know what to tell you, lady.
Here we go. No, here.
Yeah, I did.
It's not the new courts. Get in the truck, please.
It's not the court, sir. I mean,
If you want to give me a statement, then by all means, I will take one from you.
Dave
But
assaulted
get in
me
the car.
twice. Okay, so are you going to arrest Dave?
No, get in the car.
Or not?
Because I just told you no. Get in the car.
Well, we made a citizen.
All right, you have 5 seconds before I drag you into the car.
You guys got badge numbers?
Go.
Okay.
Yeah, 6
What's that?
What is it? You heard me.
No,
didn't.
Actually, we did.
I only have to give it to you once.
Okay.
All right, get in the car.
So what if I ask why you're not taking Dave into custody?
Just get in the truck, man.
Sir,
this is not looking good for you.
Sir.
Press your assault
Get in the
charges.
Like, it's 2 assault charges.
Get in the
Yep.
truck, man.
Do it.
Oh my gosh. It's none of your business why or why not anyone else is getting arrested. You only have to worry about yourself in that moment. And quite frankly, if I was getting arrested, I simply would not be worrying about anybody else. I'd be concerned for everything that's about to happen to me. I don't know, man. I'm like so afraid of being arrested, so I just don't want that to happen.
Yep. All right, no problem seeing that.
All right, just follow with your eyes and your eyes only. All right, don't move your head, okay?
Okay.
Did you have any problem seeing that at all?
Nope.
All right, you're doing good. Just keep doing it, okay? Watch the tip, okay? Doing good.
It was right there.
Yeah, you don't have to touch.
Oh, jeez. The test is not going well. I don't think she passed.
So just keep watching, okay?
Honey, I know where it's at.
You looking at the tip? You're looking forward. You're looking at me.
You
gotta look at it, okay?
I already know it's on the left, and I'm looking at you.
You gotta look at the tip, though, not me.
I'm looking at the tip, but I'm also looking
Look at the tip of the pen, okay? I'm holding it with my finger.
Look at both of them.
All right, just keep looking at this, okay?
All right.
That is not good. I like that. I'm looking at this and I'm also looking at you. She means business. That's the least I can say.
Hi, I'm Karen Turner. Hi.
Karen.
I'm a resident.
She's quite literally Karen.
You're just here as the rider, right?
No, I'm not.
Okay.
I'm here as a concerned citizen and friend of the mayor. You are a disappointment. You are also a disappointment. You can't put together a schedule.
You may take them now.
You may shut the up and not tell me when I may take my kids and her friends who are PhD students from MIT and Yale. You may tell me nothing. I will be talking to the chief of police.
Please.
And I will be speaking to the mayor.
Please.
540.
The government supporting her, they decided to fire her from
Yeah,
the
of
government.
course. The definition, first of all, she showed up and she said, I'm a concerned citizen and a friend of the mayor. Not that I'm this person who was doing something illegal's mom, which is exactly why you're freaking out, not because you're a concerned citizen. If they're PhD students at MIT and Yale, they should probably know how to drive a car. I'm just saying, like, you're only furthering your point of like, yeah, well then they should know the laws. Clearly they have no problem studying, all right? So, like, that's just, I don't know why you're just listing off all of the privileges they have and literally the reasons why they should know better. Man, people really try and be out here saving their kids and just make it way worse. Like, I don't know, man. I think that a good parent just like kind of lets their kid lie in the mistake and learn from it. Like, oh, you don't want to spend $500 on a ticket? Well, then don't speed.
The reason I'm stopping you, your dog is not properly secured. I need your license, registration, and insurance, please.
I'm not on a city street, sir.
Okay, you were just a little bit ago.
No, I wasn't.
I saw you earlier when you drove. Okay, license, registration, and insurance, please. You were on the city street earlier, so
I was not.
Yeah, you were.
I would just probably cooperate. And then if you really feel like you didn't do it, then you just, you know, go have your day in court.
License, registration, and insurance, please.
You have no reason to pull me over.
Registration,
I was
please.
on the city street.
Registration,
You
please.
have no reason to pull me
Yes,
over.
I do.
No, you don't.
Man, regardless, okay, let's say whatever, that the guy in the truck is right, which he's not, but let's say he was. If he says license, insurance, and registration, you still have to provide those things.
Hello, officer.
Whether or not you agree with being pulled over or not, you still have to provide those things because you've been asked. That's just, you gotta identify yourself. That's not the way to deal with it, especially like if you're trying not to get a ticket.
This is the code I'm going to actually give you. It's 2131.44B. I'm actually going to give you a copy of the law today.
Great.
It is primary offense.
Just so you know, also walking up to a woman's car, you should have pulled me over. You're lucky I didn't have my pepper spray on me because you scared the ever out of me as a
He would
woman.
not.
The guy just said it like it was, wasn't he? Also, I feel like saying you're gonna pepper spray a cop isn't such a good idea. You know what I mean? It's like, well, if you come up next time, I'm gonna, I was looking on my pepper spray on me.
If you weren't going through emails,
Sir,
you would probably be more
I'm
observant.
not trying to be an as a woman. I'm actually shaking right now. I can't believe that you won't even listen.
No, as soon as you said, I pay your salary, that we're done.
He's got a point.
Sir,
He's got a
I'm
point.
trying to tell you
We are
so
done.
that you can do your job better.
I've done my job
I would have
20
been-
years, and I'm
I
protecting
get
the
that.
public from you reading your emails while you drive your car.
Well, that
Drive
hasn't
safely now.
existed.
You might have the pepper spray. He's got the blam blam. He's got the pistol. All right, and you know it's. I wouldn't go that way. Especially in America, I wouldn't go that way. You know what I mean? I don't know why. There's ways to deal with this. Get off your phone when you're driving too, man. Come on. What are you doing? I can understand maybe you gotta pick it up before maybe that, but still, like it's 2022, dude. I say Bluetooth. That's so old school. Just connect to your car. I don't know. There's just ways around it, man. Come on, stop it. Get some help.
Sir, come on. Let me talk to you. What? Let me talk to you. Come outside. Let's talk to you.
down the police here. Yeah, swear to God. Come, get off your plane. Just get off the plane and come.
What is this guy getting arrested for? I want to know so badly. Please let me know. Someone who knows, please tell me.
Come on, pay for your drink and we need to talk. You my God. That's yours, right? Yeah, but I didn't sip on it yet. I said pay for it. Well, why would I pay for it? Okay, come on. Okay, come on. I didn't bring it up yet. Okay, come on, sir. Sir, come on. Let me talk.
I like that the officer was like, pay for this. Pay for it. I didn't even have a sip yet. I mean, I agree. If he didn't have a sip, like, he shouldn't have to pay for it. But that's why the employee came over and was like, I didn't even freaking put it in. Also, the man's getting arrested. Like, if you gotta spill one drink, you gotta spill one drink. This guy's, something serious is going. Also, get off the plane and come here. I'm like, what the hell? What's going on? Who's he talking to? Are they mid-flight? Did they just land? I have so many questions.
You are giving me a ticket. I'm giving a ticket, yeah. You, what the hell? By giving me a ticket for going the speed limit. Can't go any where without you guys like on your.
That's just like a grown man tantrum. Really was what that was. Like. That's it. I can't believe. I like that and then he knew he was gonna get in trouble for littering if he left it there, so he picked it back up. He knew. You don't want to get another ticket. That's what happens. Also, like, oh, man, pay your tab. I don't care how drunk you are. There's no excuse to not pay your tab. That is not the move. And people make mistakes. Hey, listen, sometimes people do get a little too drunk and then they forget. But then sometimes they come back the next day, okay? And they go, so sorry about that. And we go, don't do it again, but we'll let it slide this one time, okay? Well, also, you shouldn't be served to that point where you're forgetting to pay your bill. So that's also the server's, issue as well. But it happens. Listen, it happens.
Listen, this guy is threatening me. This guy is threatening me.
Oh, this lady.
Will you please Walgreens on 17th Street Causeway?
I'm telling you right now, move back.
No, you threaten me. You threaten me.
She didn't realize, calls the cops, gets arrested.
She's filming me. She's filming me. Get out of my face, honey. Get out of my face. Get out of my face. Get out of my face. Want me to spit on you again?
You have to leave. We'll take.
Again, admits to the crime. Oh, yikes. Oops. Plot twist. Can't spit on people, lady. That's not okay. Even if you're frustrated at them. You can't spit on people. It's a crime.
So that delightful video was filmed in Canada, and I just want the good people to know.
I would hope so. The fact that people do stuff like that is like next level disgusting.
That licking things in grocery stores is a crime, and you can and likely will be charged with mischief as per the criminal code.
And also, like, there are people who do things like that for a TikTok or for like Instagram or whatever because they think it's like funny. It's really stupid to film yourself committing a crime, first of all. And it's also just not funny at all. Honestly, even better than the video itself is the person in the corner reacting to it, just laughing. I love that. That's so funny. That Karen is, crazy Karen is really the best way of putting it.
Great thing that there's a camera strapped to his chest.
Good.
Right
Come on, boy. Just get it on. Let me
Get
see
away
it.
from me.
Come on.
Get away
Come
from
on.
me. I don't know. I'll personally never understand.
He wasn't at fault. She was the aggressor.
Why'd you just hit me? Yeah, that lady's crazy. And thank God that guy had a camera on him. Because And she like clearly seemed to think that there was just no problem at all, which is absolutely insane to me.
Alright, I just want to make sure you understand that because you're being recorded and you're saying that you understand that.
I understand that, ma'am. What's your name?
Craven Swan.
Swan.
Like a bird.
Officer Swan, thank you very much.
Yes. But listen here, you come back out here and start touching your equipment, you are going to go to jail. I don't care if you agree or you disagree.
I think that for me, that's the number one. I think for me, out of any Karen video or anything that I do here on Central, like anything I see, for me the number one is people trying to do their jobs and Karens or somebody getting in the way. That to me is just the worst. Like above anything, that is like number one, my biggest pet peeve.
It's not your job to come out here and tell them what they can and can't chop down.
Thank you.
They're just trying to do their job. It's Monday morning.
On a Monday morning.
Only Monday, man. It's only Monday, man.
This is a society. This is we gotta do our part. The man job on their job. They're trying to get their freaking job done, man. Like they're just. You wake up. It's Monday morning. You get out of bed and you know what he wants to. It's crack of dawn. You go to work. You're trying to cut down a tree, and now lady's trying to tell you you can't cut down a tree. And the cop said it. She's like, hey, you come out again, you're going to jail. Simple. It's as simple as that. You come out of there again, you're getting arrested. Just let the guy cut down the fucking tree. I said fucking, but that's okay. Sometimes you can swear. I got mad there. I got mad. Let him cut down the tree, man. Let him do his job. Let the delivery guy deliver his package. Let's keep her going.
Yeah, I think I might take some bras too, because like you can just steal now, right?
Well, stealing is never okay.
No, but
We returned the bra she didn't like even though it was past the return date.
Wow. Oh my gosh. Like,
you're stealing, so you go.
no, I'm not stealing.
You are stealing.
Left the store.
You just said you were going to steal.
Left the store.
You just said you were going to steal.
No, I said stealing. Everybody's doing it.
So okay, go ahead.
Good. No, I'm waiting here.
what is she even freaking out about? I don't understand. I don't understand why she's upset in the first place. Also, what a weird thing to say. Since everybody's doing it now, I'm like, I missed the memo, I guess. Like, should have been cashing in on that deal, I guess. What a weirdo.
So my neighbor
Cops called on me. Love it.
Because my kid's Barbie car is beeping.
Dude, really?
This is just the most hilarious thing I've ever seen in my life.
Over a Barbie car. I mean, if that's actually what's happening, it's pretty stupid, dude. For a Barbie car? I always wanted one of those. Not a Barbie one, but the boy one.
You can't make this stuff up.
Maybe a Barbie one.
Barbie car, you guys. A Barbie car.
Do those things even make noise though? Like, it's just like the and it drives along. But is there like are there horns on them now or something? Because the ones when I was a kid, they didn't have horns. When I was a kid, they didn't have horns on them. They just went. They just did things. I always wanted one, but I was always a little bit more rotund than some of the other boys. I was a little bit bigger, so I could, if I sat in it, would just, it wouldn't go. That's a sound I make when cars don't go good. Guys, sounds stupid here sometimes. Calling the cops for that, dude, you know cops. Say what you will about law enforcement, but like, when they get a call from dispatch, they're just, all right, I'm going, you know what I mean? But you gotta do your job. Okay?
Yeah.
It's cops. Missed that show. Looks like maybe it's a restaurant. They're about to get kicked out of a restaurant or something. Misbehaving. What?
You're gonna try to lift a heavy ass woman like me with your kind of frame. Yep.
I've seen her do it.
100% certain I can do it.
Don't know what's going on in that one. I am proud to say that in my years of existence on this spinning ball that we call planet Earth, I have never had the police called on me. Perhaps, maybe I've been at a few high school parties when I was in high school when I was a younger guy, maybe the police showed up and then I left or something, but I never had them call on me for being a criminal because I left my Barbie car on. So I'm proud to say that. I haven't been in jail yet. Not yet.
Well, I did issue for a defective equipment. It's $80. You have till September 16th to take care of this.
So you don't even give a warning for this?
You've been driving around for 6 months like that.
I'm truthful. Well, I don't want to sign it because I don't want to do $80.
You don't want to sign it?
No, because I don't think that I deserve to pay $80 for something that is fixable and I can fix it.
All right.
If that's all you want
Go ahead
to
and
do.
step out of the car.
Why?
Because you're under arrest. Step out.
No, I'm not.
You be fair with me and I'll be fair with you.
Step out.
Oh my God, that's not how that works. Lady, just sign it. You can still go to court over a ticket. You can have your day in court. It's just not this moment right now. Also, I like that she's untruthful. I'm like, ma'am, why would he just pull that out of nowhere? Like, not a chance. And just like, I don't think I should have a ticket for something that's fixable. I'm like, then why didn't you fix it? If you agree that it's fixable, then why are we even in this situation, ma'am? Also, just go to court. Just sign a ticket and then just go to court and say that, okay? Maybe they might completely get rid of it. Or maybe it'll be cut in half. Or maybe you'll still have to pay $80. But hey, you got to say your piece in that situation. And you didn't get arrested for literally no reason. Like, you have to sign it, okay? Just do it.
Getting arrested on live stream.
We're good. No, I'm parking and I'm on TikTok live.
Nope,
Is she drunk? She's a little drunk.
Can you come out and step out the door for me for a second?
If you listen for 5 seconds, it's gonna go a lot. Although I gotta say, from somebody who knows what, as Chris says, I spent a night in the drunk tank. I didn't.
I understand that. I just need you to step out of the door for me, please.
Whoa, guys.
Oh, yeah, well, why don't you step out? Step out.
Gosh. Chris isn't wrong. I may or may not know my way around a bottle of whatever's in your cupboard there. I gotta say, she sounds like she's a little inebriated. It's either that or she got a really thick accent, but it sounds like she might have had a few. She's in the car. The car sounds like it's on with the radio. Those things don't add up. That's not a good look. It's not gonna look good in court. So it's best you just follow procedure there.
You share with people who look a lot like you. Huh? No? Okay. Turn around, put your hands behind your back.
Classic.
Dominic!
Jeez Louise. I actually have seen this whole video. Shoutouts to Code Blue Cam. Never a good idea.
Stop! You stop!
And this guy sucks. This guy sucks really badly. And the good news is that they get him in the end. Okay, if you felt like that one cut off too soon, there's probably a reason for that, but they got him. Which, I mean, thank goodness.
Be sure to give him a kiss on the forehead.
Right now. Get the out!
I don't really know what I just heard. There was a lot of screaming, a lot of foots clapping on the pavement there. I don't really know what's going on in that one.
Hey, my peace is being disturbed, officer. I'd like to file a report.
The peace is being disturbed. I'm gonna also go by the rule of she's the one that's not very calm. He's the one that is calm. So he might be the one that's the. It's hard to say. It's hard. I need more context in that one. Hard to say. Nah, Nah. Not a good time to be doing that. I gotta say, not a fan. Don't support that one.
So that delightful video was filmed in Canada, and I just want the good people to know that licking things in grocery stores is a crime, and you can and likely will be charged with mischief as per the criminal code.
You know, there's another thing too where it's like you go to court for that, you get in trouble, you go to jail because that's bad. That's heinous. That's pretty heinous. But if you do that and then you go to court for it, and it gets to a point where, you know, you're sitting there, and I don't think there would be a jury for a case like that unless just some serious criminal stuff actually happened. Given the way the public and everyone in the society works right now, especially with the last 2 years and the sicknesses going around and whatnot, you might get more time actually. You possibly could. They might, you know, the judge is going, you know, and then that wouldn't be good. So not a good time to be doing that.